I've been employed by Rheem Manufacturing for 42 years. When I leave here, I wanted to last another 40 years, and it's because of the culture. It's because of the relationships you build out here.
They'll keep trying to come in here for a few more years, but I sure hope the younger generation work as hard and respect the company as much as we have. And it's not a job when you love what you do.
It would be a good career. We've been here this long, and I think it'll continue, and just come in and learn all you can.
Gabriel's got a few years left. I've got some things I'm trying to get accomplished, but as soon as that gets done, when Gabriel walks out the door, he's planning on sleeping a lot. I got grandchildren, will spend as much time as I can with them, and that's pretty much where I'm gonna be.
Retirement, hopefully in 2027. I like watching my grandsons play baseball and any other sport, whatever they play. Football, golf, well, not golf, but
I hope the future for the company is great. I hope they continue to grow and expand. And I hope the future for the people that want to have a job here are great.